Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 6 best ways to fix Microsoft Edge closed unexpectedly. So firstly, let's go to Task Manager from your computer. To go Task Manager, go to the search bar and right here, Task Manager, and you'll find this option on top. Click on this. Then go to Details here, this option Details. Click on this and then go to taskmanager.exe. So to go to this, scroll down, go to the T section, then you'll find here this option taskmgr.exe. You have to just right click on this and choose end process tree. Click on this end process tree, again end process tree. Now go to the next step. The next step is go to Microsoft Edge. Then you'll find on top right corner this three dot icon, this one. You can see at the cursor, right? This click on this. Then choose extensions. Click extensions. And then you find here all of your extensions if you have add any. So how you can delete this? You have to delete this extension. Right click and you'll find this remove from Google Chrome Edge. Just click on this and make this remove. Okay, after that you can just cross this thing and go to the very next step. The next step is again going here this search bar, sorry, this Microsoft Edge, and this top right corner three dot icon. Then choose settings from here. Then you have to choose privacy and search services. So privacy and search, how you can find this? Now you can see here this privacy and security option. Click on this and then scroll down a bit and you'll find here this clear browsing data. Now you have to click on this choose what to clear. Scroll down and make sure you select all of this except this two, password and fill form data. These two should be unchecked, the rest should be checked. Okay, then click on clear data or clear now. After that, go to the next step. The next step is again going here this Microsoft Edge three dot icon, which is top right corner, and then you'll find here help and feedback. Then you can see here about Microsoft Edge. Click on this and check that your Microsoft Edge need a update or not. If it need a update, it will update automatically like this. You can see here updating Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge.
Power off.
After finishing update, you have to go here and write reset. Now you'll find this option restore settings to their default values. You have to click on this. Now click on reset. After that, you can cross this and go to the next step. The next step is choose your keyboard. From your keyboard, press Windows plus R together, and then you have to write here percentage app data percentage. Now hit enter. Sorry, there was a mistake. I'm really sorry for this. Just press Windows plus R together and you have to write here percentage local app data percentage. Now hit enter. Then you have to find here packages, which is in P section. Here I can find these packages. Double click on this. Now from this you have to find here Microsoft Edge 8WEKY. So let's find this Microsoft Edge. From here you have to find Microsoft Edge 8WEKY B3. But if you don't find this here, you can leave it here or minimize it and go to the next step. The next step is going here and write PowerShell. Now hit enter. Now you have to put a single command, what you will find in the description below. So you have to just copy and paste that command from your description. Hit enter. After hit enter, your work is complete. Now you have to just restart your computer and check back, your issues will be fixed. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.